Every single day, as you go about your modern life, you are forced to navigate through an absolutely chaotic, unending storm of sensory information. If someone offered you $50 in cash for every red car you spot on this drive, you would suddenly see them everywhere. Right now, 400 billion bits of raw data hit your nervous system every second, but your conscious brain can only process 2,000. To prevent a short circuit, your reticular activating system acts as a bouncer, deleting 99.999% of reality. Feeling unlucky is often a byproduct of an untuned filter that categorizes viable opportunities as irrelevant background noise. In the 1990s, a newspaper reader wrote in about suddenly hearing references to a 1970s militant group, the Baader-Meinhof Gang, after years of total obscurity. This frequency illusion proves that your brain's filter updates almost instantly when new information becomes salient. Through neuroplasticity, your focused intentions carve physical pathways in your brain. The more you look for a specific target, the lower the threshold becomes for your neurons to fire and alert you to it. This is why elite basketball coaches don't ask players to focus on the whole game. They pick a single metric, like finding the energy givers on the court. By giving the brain a specific target, players spot strategic advantages split seconds faster than their opponents. Your brain gives you exactly what you emphasize. Finding serendipity requires you to deliberately curate what your mind is searching for. Once your biology is primed to spot anomalies, the next step is generating enough of them to matter. This animated diagram illustrates a concept known as luck surface area. Serial entrepreneur Jason Roberts mapped this out using a simple equation. Luck equals doing multiplied by telling. The doing variable represents the deep, solitary hours you spend acquiring a specific skill, building expertise, and honing your craft. The telling variable is the horizontal axis. This measures how effectively you communicate, network, and share that work with the public. Because this is a multiplication problem, a 0 on either side yields a total of 0. If you are a hidden genius who never speaks, or a loud marketer with no actual skills, your total surface area for generating opportunity collapses. You cannot control when a lucky break happens, but you can build a massive structural net to catch it when it passes by. But having a tuned mind and a massive net is useless if you don't act when something finally gets caught in it. Management researcher Jim Collins spent years analyzing hyper-successful companies to understand how they handled unexpected events, developing a metric he calls return on luck. Collins found that the highest-performing companies did not experience more frequent good luck, fewer bad breaks, or better timing than the companies that failed. Bill Gates shared his initial lucky break with thousands of other upper-middle-class students who had access to the same hardware, like this Altair 8800. Gates achieved an outlier return on luck by dropping out of Harvard and immediately building software to capture the microcomputing wave. The physical world is entirely neutral. The people who seem to have all the luck have simply trained their biology to see it, expanded their surface area to catch it, and executed ruthlessly the moment it arrived.